In a tightly contested race, Saleng A. Sangma emerged victorious as the representative for the Tura Parliamentary Constituency. With unwavering support from the constituents and a platform centred on community development, Sangma's win marks a significant milestone in the region's political landscape. In Tura, Congress candidate Saleng A. Sangma ended the 47-year dynasty built by the late P.A. Sangma, defeating his daughter and incumbent MP Agatha K. Sangma. Saleng secured over 3,83,919 votes, while Agatha managed only 2,28,678 votes, resulting in Saleng's victory by over 1,55,241 votes.
Definitely they do the change. There are lots of issues actually that needed to be see, and I will discuss with my people. Then only I will bring all those things, especially on the floor of the house. God has blessed us actually, not only me, the people. Bless Garo Hills. So maybe God wants some changes in the Garo Hills. That's why God has, God is giving us, the responsibility to do something about it. So definitely, along with our people, we will try to do some changes. Lots of issues are there. So we will discuss which issue we will take up first. We will discuss with our public, because it's not only me, who has won. So it's the public who has won. So I'll definitely have to talk with our people first.